We're going to talk about the 7 reasons why you might be tired on keto and when you're doing intermittent fasting. Number 1, it could be that you need more B vitamins, specifically B1 and B5. Those 2 vitamins are crucial in your metabolism and your ability to make energy, okay? I recommend getting your B vitamins from nutritional yeast. That's a natural form. You can get it in a powder or tablet form. Make sure it's unfortified because you don't want to use synthetics. The only time I'd recommend B vitamins in a synthetic form is when you're doing some type of detoxification, okay? But synthetics are made from petroleum, so it's not the same as natural, so nutritional yeast. Secondly, increased potassium. That would be large quantities of vegetables, so make sure you're doing that. If you're not, that could be the reason. If you can't seem to consume the quantity of vegetables that you need, then enhance it with something like an electrolyte powder or some type of concentrated green powder. Number 3, you could have a deficiency of stomach acids. And this is very common, by the way. So if you don't have enough acid in your stomach, the food just sits there and it doesn't digest and you get tired. Apple cider vinegar is a really good way to enhance the acids, but also the potassium from the greens will actually help you make hydrochloric acid. Also, sea salt, sodium chloride, the chlorides help make HCl, hydrochloric acid, will also help do this. But you can also get apple cider vinegar in a tablet form, and if that doesn't work, add another thing called betaine hydrochloride. Okay, that's an acidifier, and that will help increase the energy, especially if your energy is tired after you eat. Okay. Number 4, hidden carbohydrates. This is a big one too. If you're doing keto and you're not doing it correctly, let's say you're adding potato chips with your protein or adding a little bit of sugar or something like that, that combination will really make you tired, big time. So look out for that. And then number 5, decreased blood sugars. So if your blood sugars are too low, you are going to be tired. Especially if you're fasting and you have hypoglycemia, you're going to be kind of like really, really tired. But the combination of healthy ketosis and intermittent fasting will correct low blood sugars over time, but you may want to adjust what you're eating, like add more fat, maybe a little bit more protein for that. The way that you know you have low blood sugars is when you have this feeling of fatigue and then you eat and you feel instant energy. Then we know the blood sugars were an issue. Number 6, high blood sugar. So if your sugar is too high, you're going to feel tired after you eat. That would be a good test or indication that your blood sugars are too high. Again, get in the basics. Do healthy ketosis and intermittent fasting, and that will eventually correct this. Okay? And number 7, you may need just more sleep. So support the sleep. What causes sleep problems mainly is stress. I had one person who said that they sleep fine, but they were tired, and I told them to try to just take a long nap. They napped for 3 hours and woke up feeling so refreshed. So apparently they weren't really sleeping that well. All right, thanks for watching.